Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Angular. Today we are going to learn about how to solve the issue that is known from here, that is this one. Can't bind to ngModel since it's a known property of an input. Okay, so how to solve this issue? To solve this issue, what we have to do is we have to go and import this one into your appmodule.ts file. Go to that one, appmodule.ts. Okay, so add this file over here, forms module, right? After this, you need to add this import into this one, imports, where it is imports, and import that name here. Okay, forms module. Now you can see that the error is resolved. Okay, now the error is resolved, and you can see that now I can whatever input over here, it is showing over here, right? So this is how we are able to solve this issue into the Angular. Okay, so whenever you have a doubt like this that can't bind the ngModel since it's a non-property of input, use this method. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If the issue resolved with this help of video, please do comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.